Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes how to remove shortcut virus from USB or external storage device without losing any data. First method is open File Explorer. Find USB or external storage device drive letter. Type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type fclan attrib space -s space -h space -r space ** space /s space /d space /l. Type del*.lnk. Second method is open any browser. Type Shortcut Virus Remover in browser search bar, click Shortcut Virus Remover. Extract and install downloaded file. Type drive letter. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.